Supreme Court of Ohio created this program because we thought it filled a very important need out there, and that is to bring new lawyers into their legal community and have them meet a mentor, have someone that they can have lunch with, go to bar association meetings with, confide in, talk to them about their experiences as they start the practice of law.
Last year, during November, during the bar admission ceremony, they really impressed upon us the importance of learning from a mentor and from a practiced attorney. And being that I'm new to Columbus, I was really looking to meet with someone who's practiced in this area, specifically private practice, in hopes that I might learn from them and pick up a few things along the way. And my mentor, Kathleen Trafford, has done just that and more so.
It really is a wonderful program. Particularly because I think it's so rewarding for us to kind of see the excitement and see the profession through these young eyes again. Kind of reminded me why I became a lawyer. It gives me an opportunity to reflect back on some of the things I've been able to do in my career.
It's a reminder to those of us who've been practicing for a little longer of what it was like to start out, of the anxieties, the uncertainties, but all the challenges, but also the frankly fun. I mean, I had a lot of fun when I started at our firm. I'm amazed to think that, but I can remember back to those days, and it was the beginning of a rewarding career, and so I have fond memories, and talking with Kenneth reminds me of a lot of those.
David and I met often at the Scioto Country Club for lunch, and I really enjoyed that because it was a relaxed atmosphere. And I believe at some of those lunches I felt comfortable in exploring more topics with him in depth, and I got to know him a lot better on a personal level.
If Kenneth were in our firm, we would not have spoken about 2/3 of what we ended up talking about. So I think there's sort of a chilling effect if you're talking with someone who's in leadership at the firm you work for.
We see new lawyers time after time saying that they will recommend the program to people who are younger and just finishing law school behind them. We have so many mentors that sign up for term after term and have had multiple new lawyers because they really enjoy the program. And then we ask in our end of term surveys too, do you believe you'll continue meeting after the program ends, after the obligation for mentoring ends? And 98% roughly of the new lawyers and the mentors say yes, we think that this relationship will continue even beyond the end of the program.
I don't understand why a new attorney wouldn't sign up for this program. The fact that the bar is taking such a vested interest in new attorneys and really making sure that we don't just have the substantive knowledge that the bar requires, but that you have the assistance and the time that the mentors invest in you, I think it's just wonderful.
Our last registration period has just ended, and we had 62% of new lawyers sign up. So we're looking for somewhere probably between 500 and 600 new lawyers who will sign up for this program next year. And we need mentors for each and every one of those new lawyers.
And I've enjoyed my experience so much that I hope to be able to be a mentor a few years down the road, but I probably have a long way to go until then.
If I can have some influence on this poor lad, it will be worthwhile.